Good. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to get into Clubhouse. So if you haven't been living under a rock, you probably know what Clubhouse is. And Clubhouse is a brand new app that allows you to network with other people by building rooms, building clubs, creating a stage and having speakers on the stage and then the public on the stage listening to the speakers. It's a wicked way right now to build your brand, to build your marketing, to grow your customer base. Whatever it is you're doing, you need to be on Clubhouse. So what I want to do is show you how to get on, but the key thing that separates Clubhouse from other apps at the minute is that you need an invite. So you need to get in through someone that you already know. Now, when you enter into the app, I got added into the app by a producer called Luke Paterna, so shout out Luke. He added me to the app, and when you go into the app, you get 2 free invites, okay? So once you've used up those invites, you get more invites when you're active on the platform. So when you open up clubs, when you speak in the room, when you get followers, XYZ. So I've been on the app for 4 days now. I've used up my first 3 invites, but I've also had 6 new invites as well due to the amount of activity that I'm doing in the group. I'm creating rooms, I'm going into rooms, I'm speaking, I'm adding people, I'm doing a lot. So I've got free invites all the time coming in. So if you need a free invite, I'm your guy in. So all I want you to do is comment below, drop your email, and leave a title. Invite me to Clubhouse, okay? And then I'll get into your email, and we'll chop it up, and I'll send you an email, and then we'll talk about it, and then I'll get you into the app, okay? So go ahead, drop your email below and say invite me to Clubhouse, and then we'll go from there. Obviously, first come, first serve, so you've got to do it now, do it ASAP, and I'll get you into Clubhouse. Before I go, I just want to say thank you for all of the subscribers that's been subscribing, all of the likes, all of the comments. We're growing day by day, and I appreciate it. So again, if you want to know how to get into Clubhouse, you need to be invited in. Drop a comment below with your email address saying invite me to Clubhouse, and then I'll get you in. So that's today's video. Leave a comment, subscribe.